everyone. Welcome to Teng Workshop. Today we are going to introduce you how we assemble our pop-up drink. Let's start from material preparation. Let's go. Now we are in our warehouse. Let's go check the supervisor of our warehouse department to see how they do the material preparation. 小吴你好。File, document file, including the standard of how they assemble the product. They will check it and check it one by one, see every specification of this product. If they are right, if they are right, see write a yes here. If not, they will check it again. I think these are right. The supervisor of our warehouse department, he will send those goods to the assembly line. Let's follow him. This is our supervisor of chemical. Now he is doing the first project inspection. Hello.
没有了吗？就这么比较的东西。
Okay, let's go and see our next step to see how we assemble a complete product. Let's go, follow me. This is the first step. This is the main body of our product. Using catering. The second step is this white steel ring. Put this steel ring to and the second step is very important. This one is very important. Our supervisor of this team will control this step to check the surface of the product, see if they are good. During this process, we will use the 99 oil to polish it. See, you can see every product using the 99 oil after using it. Very like the mirror, very shiny. See, you can check it. And in the meanwhile, if they are not good, our supervisor of this team will deduct this product. This step is more easier. Just put the steel ring. This is made by silicon. This is a up steel ring, and this is a lower steel ring. We call it a complete steel ring. Put this complete steel ring into the body, and then make this lock nut into the main body like this. This step including the package. For this customer, he has to use the PE bag. But please notice that there's a cycle symbol on the PE bag. That means we are good for our environmental protection. And the last step of this assembly is put this complete product into the white box like this, then finish the package. And this is our lady boss. 老板娘说 hi. Okay, now we are finished the whole assembly line to assemble the product. Step to finish this product is the packaging. Our staff is now packaging the goods. See, our staff is packaging the product. See how professional he is. OK， 然后把它放在托盘上。 After to finish the whole product assembly, now we are to the finished product inspection. Those products are whole packaged. Now we open the box and check the servicement of the product, see if they are very good, or say how we can say met the requirements of our customer.
Okay.
Our next part is to do the water leakage test. Let's go see our how we do this test. Let's go this way. This is our laboratory where we do our tests. Come and check in. This is how we do our water leakage test. Okay, that's all for today's introduction about how we assemble our product to make sure we give you all the goods to our customer to 100% good quality and no mistake about the goods. See you next time. Bye-bye.